front of me is Navin Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Firstly, launch Recorder app, and before recording, click on this gear at the top right corner. Then tap on this switcher next to high quality format to turn it on or off. Then go back and click on one of those recording modes. I will go with normal. When you finished, click on red button at the bottom to start recording. Then hit allow in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, click on this X at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end and save your recording, hit save at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you want to and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it instead. Use this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!